Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to edit sidebars in WordPress. First, understand that sidebars are dynamic areas in your theme designed to display various widgets. These widgets add functionality and content, such as recent posts, categories, or custom menus. Knowing how to manage them allows you to tailor your site's appearance and user experience effectively. Let's dive into the steps to customize your sidebars. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, hover over Appearance and then click on Widgets. Here, you'll find a list of all available widgets on the left and your theme's designated sidebar areas on the right. Simply drag any widget from the left column and drop it into the sidebar area where you want it to appear on your website. It's a straightforward process. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features convenient voice control, self-emptying capabilities, and is perfect for pet owners. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy effortlessly. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once a widget is in your sidebar, you can customize its settings. Click the small down arrow next to the widget's title to expand its options. Depending on the widget, you might be able to change its title, specify the number of items to display, or set other preferences. After making your adjustments, always remember to click the Save button to ensure your changes are applied and visible on your live website.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.